So are your presentation slides looking a little bit bland? Well, worry not. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to spice up your slides and make them look professional and classy. And both of these methods are very quick and very easy. Let's get to it. So first, make a new slide, then delete everything. Then change the background to a solid fill of black. Then insert Smart Art, insert a hexagon cluster under the picture tab. Once you have your hexagon cluster, right click on it. You might have to right click on the line itself and not on the image or on the hexagon, because otherwise you won't get these options, and click on convert to shapes. Then right click and click on format shape. Then click on line and click on no line and change the fill to picture or texture fill. Then insert your picture, which I'll be using a stock image, and I'll just be searching New York since that's what the slide was about. Insert the picture. Now if the picture is oddly fitting, then you can click on tile picture as texture and change the offset values and scale values to fit your picture yourself. And if you're getting these odd edges here where the picture is starting to repeat itself, then don't worry, you can just click on mirror type and click on both, and that will give you this somewhat seamless looking edge. Then you can resize these shapes and position it as you please. And once you're done positioning, add your text. And that concludes the first method, and you can already see the major difference in the look of professionality and just aesthetic. Now, moving on to the second method. So make a new slide and delete everything, same as last time. This time, insert a text box and type in a bunch of dashes, or hyphens if that's what you'd like to call them. And make sure to set the font as Arial and make it bold. Now once you have these hyphens, go to Shape Format, Text Effects, Transform, and click on Inflate Top. Now once you've done this, you can resize it. And once you've resized it to your preference, you can right click the text and click on Format Text Effects and go to Text Fill and change it to Picture or Texture Fill. And as you can see, it has already filled it with the picture I had selected earlier, but if you want to select a different picture, you can click on Insert and select your picture there. And again, you can resize and reposition your image by checking this option called Tile Picture as Texture. Then right-click and Format Background and change the background to any color you prefer. Hopefully something that will somewhat contrast the picture so that it doesn't blend with itself. I'll go with something like a dark blue, something like that. And then you can insert your text the same as before. And of course, make sure to play around with the background colors, the image, the fonts, etc. to get the best look for your slide. And there you have it. That's the second method. So here are the full screen views. This is our original slide, which looks bland and empty. The first method gives us this look, and the second method gives us this look, both of which look really professional and well done and aesthetic. Make sure to play around with the settings I've told you about to get the most optimal look and design for your slide. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned with more tutorials, tips, and tricks for PowerPoint presentation. Stay tuned.